straight line method, right? I think we did this question in the last session. Everybody, please confirm. You already did this question in the previous class. All of you. Kritika, Zainab, Labiba, please confirm whether we did this question or not. No? I'm sorry, I'm not able to hear you properly. Could you please speak a little louder? Kritika, Zainab, Labiba, I want all of you to respond.
So I was not present in the last class, so I don't know.
Okay, so Radhika was not there. What about you, Zainab and Labiba? Please confirm whether whether we did this question in the previous class or not. I think we did this question as far as I'm able to recall. Tell me if I'm not right. Labiba, I'm not able to hear you. You need to, I think if there's some problem with your mic, you can let me know in the chat section as well. Anyway, so we are starting with the next question. As far as I'm able to recall, I think we did not complete this question in the previous class. So let's start with this question. On 1st of April 2015, E Limited purchased a machine for rupees 6,50,000, spent 2,50,000 on its erection. So on 1st of October 2015, an additional machinery costing 3 lakh was purchased on On 1st of October 2017, the machine was purchased, and 1st of April 2015 was sold for rupees 1,80,000. And on the same day, a new machine was purchased at a cost of 2,50,000, showing the machinery up for the first 4th financial year after charging the depreciation at 8% per annum straight line method. What do you think, everyone? Do you think you will be able to solve it? This question requires us to calculate in fact, requires us to prepare the machinery account for 4 financial years, charging depreciation at straight line method. You understand the question, everybody? All of you understand the question? Vanisha, Zainab, Ritika, Labiba.
Yes, sir.
All right, then start preparing. Labiba is saying, so I'll try to speak louder. All right, Labiba. Anyways, so this question requires us to prepare the machinery account for the 4 financial years. Let's start with the, first of all, you'll have to make a ledger for the year 2015-16, right? Then for 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, and 19, 20. For 5 years, we need to prepare the ledgers. So let's do that. I want all of you to note this down along with me. We need to prepare the machinery account. For 4 years, starting with, we'll first of all start with the year 2015 and 16. All right. So first of all, for the in respect of 2015-16, it is given in the question that on 1st of April 2015, A Limited purchased a machine for 6,50,000 and it spent 2,50,000 on its erection. So could any one of you please tell me what will be the total cost of machine? If cost of machine was 6,50,000, but we spent 2,50,000 on its erection as well, then what is the total value of the machine? Whether it will be 6,50,000 only, or it will be 9 lakh? Tell me.
Sir, we have, yes, sir.
We have to add this, right?
Yes, sir.
So we'll on the debit side, we'll write down to bank account 6,50,000 plus 2,50,000. So basically, machinery account will be debited by 9 lakh rupees, including the cost of machine along with the cost of erection. Then on 1st of October 2015, that means in the same year, we have bought an additional machinery of rupees 3 lakh. All right. So if we bought a new machinery on 1st of October, that means we need to write that on the debit side as well, right? So, okay, just a minute. I think I should make an extra column for the date as well. Na? Okay. So first transaction was related to 1st of April 2015. Then on 1st of October 2015, we have bought a new machinery. We will write this as to bank account debited by, again, machinery account will be debited by 3 lakh. All right, everyone. Everybody is able to understand this. This is for machine 1. This is M1. And I'll write this as M2, indicating machine 2. I hope this is clear, everybody. Is that clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Then on 1st of October 2017, machine was purchased. On 1st of April 2015 was sold for rupees 1,80,000, and on the same day a new machine was purchased. Okay, so in the year 2017, we bought a new machine. But right now we are just preparing the account for the year 2015-16. Na? So we don't have to record this transaction now. No other transaction took place in the year 2015-16, right? No other transaction took place in the year 2015-16. Is that right? Right, everyone? So therefore, as on 31st of March 2016, we will calculate what? We will calculate depreciation on these two machinery. And depreciation need to be calculated by straight line method. By depreciation. First of all, we will calculate the depreciation on machine 1. So on machine 1, depreciation will be calculated. Since this machine was bought on 1st of April 2015, so period of holding for this machine is 12 months. We'll apply the depreciation starting from April till the 31st of March, right? So from 1st of April till 31st of March, how many months are there? 12 months. So that means on first machinery, we will apply the depreciation for the entire 1 year period. 9 lakh into depreciation rate is 8% per annum. And we'll charge depreciation for the entire year. That means 12 months by 12. All right. Is that clear?
Yes.
Is that clear? Okay. Then 8% of 9 lakh is how much? Tell me. Is it 72,000? Is it 72,000, everyone? Then we'll calculate depreciation on the second machinery, that is
Yes,
M2.
sir.
By the straight line method again. So 3 lakh into rate of depreciation is again 8% per annum. But this time we'll charge the depreciation for how many months? Anyone please tell me? This time we'll charge the depreciation on this machine, machine 2, for how many months? We bought this machine on 1st of October and we need to charge the depreciation till 31st of March 2016. So how many months are there? Starting from 1st of October till 31st of March, how many months are there? Answer is 6 months. So we'll calculate the depreciation for 6 months on machine 2. Why we are charging depreciation for 6 month period only? Because in the year 2015-16, machine 2 is held for a period of 6 months. Because this machine was held in the year 2015-16 for only 6 month period, therefore we will calculate the depreciation on machine 2 for 6 month period only. I hope this is clear, everybody. Is that clear,
Yes,
everybody?
sir.
Now we will calculate depreciation. 8% of 3 lakh is 24,000 divided by 12 multiplied by 6. That means this will be 12,000. All right. Now let's find out the closing balance. Closing balance will be on 31st of March 2016. Closing balance. We'll write this as by balance sheet. By balance sheet for M1. Opening value of the machine 1 was 9 lakh. On this, depreciation was charged at 72,000. So ultimately, after reducing depreciation, final value will be 9 lakh minus 72,000. This will be equal to 8,28,000. And then for machine 2, 3 lakh minus 12,000. This is equals to 2 lakh and tell me 3 lakh minus 12,000 is how much? 2 lakh 88,000. Is that right, everyone? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And now we will total both the sides of the account. This will be 12 lakh and this will also be 12. Done, everybody? Is that clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done writing this, or shall we move to the next year? We need to prepare machinery account for the year 2016-17 as well. Let me know whenever you want me to move to the next year. Done, na?
Yeah.
Okay. So machinery account for the next year 2016-17. See, for the next year, closing balance of the previous year will become the opening balance of the next year, right? We will carry forward this balance to the next year. I hope this is clear to all of you. We'll write this as first on 1st of April 2016, opening balance of the next year will be to balance BD will be how much for M1 opening balance is 8,28,000 and for M2 machine 2 is 2,88,000. Got it, everyone? I hope this is clear, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we will look out for events that have occurred in the year 2016-17. So let's go back to the question. And I don't think there is any transaction which is related to the year 2016-17. Do you think is there any transaction which is related to year 2016-17? I'm not able to find any transaction which is related to year 2016-17. So that means nothing new happened in the year 2016-17. We neither bought any new machinery, neither we sold any machinery. That means everything remains same. So there is no other event that need to be recorded in the machinery account for the year 2016-17. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Since nothing happened in the year 2016-17 and no transaction and event need to be recorded in the machinery account, that means we can simply find out the closing balance for the year 2016-17. As on 31st of March 2016, 2017, right? We need to find out the closing balance. But before doing that, we need to calculate the depreciation, yes or no? We will have to find out the depreciation now. Before writing
Yes,
down
sir.
the closing balance of the machine 1 and machine 2, I should first of all calculate the depreciation. So let's calculate depreciation. On 31st of March, you'll have to calculate depreciation till the year, till 31st of March 2017. Firstly, we'll calculate depreciation on the machine 1, and then we'll calculate depreciation on machine 1 starting from 1st of April 2016. See, 1st of April 2016 till 31st of March 2016. Because machine 1 is held for a period of 12 months. At the beginning of the year, machine 1 was valued at 8,28,000, and we held this machine for the entire year. That means on 8,28,000, we will have to calculate depreciation for the entire year. Why? Because this machine is held for the one complete year. So depreciation on machine 1 will be how much? Anyone? Please tell me. What will be depreciation on machine 1? Anybody? Please tell me. What will be the depreciation on machine 1? The depreciation on machine 1 will remain same as it was charged in the previous year. Because we are following the straight line method, na? So we will calculate depreciation on machine 1. We'll calculate depreciation on machine 1 at the opening value. So on 9 lakh, we will calculate depreciation at 8% per annum for the entire 12 months. That will be 72,000 as it was in the previous year. I hope this point is clear, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me if this is clear. Okay. So on 9 lakh, we'll calculate 8% depreciation for the entire 12 months. This is the speciality of the straight line method. In case of a straight line method, we charge depreciation on the same opening value of the asset. Alright, so we will calculate depreciation on the same value at 9 lakh rupees at the rate 10% per annum. So that means this time again depreciation will be 72,000. And similarly, we'll calculate the depreciation on machine 2. What was the opening value of the machine 2? Anybody able to recall that? What was the cost of machine 2? What was the cost of machine 2? Tell me quickly. Tell me quickly, everyone, what was the cost of machine 2? Machine 2 was bought for rupees 3 lakh in the previous year, and we will be charging depreciation on the same amount. On 3 lakh, we'll calculate depreciation at 8% per annum, but this time not for the 6 months. We'll calculate depreciation at 8% for the entire year. Why? Because this machine is held in the year 2016-17 for 12 months. So that this time depreciation on this machine will be 24,000. All right. I hope this point is clear, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 8,28,000 minus depreciation 72,000, and after subtracting 8,28,000 minus 72,000. After subtracting it, we will get 7,56,000. This is the closing value of the machine 1. And similarly, we need to find out the closing balance for the machine 2 as well. 2,88,000 minus 54,000. So 2,88,000 minus 24,000. This will be 2,64,000. Right, everyone? Anyone having any doubt? Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will total the credit side first. 2,88,000 plus 8,28,000. This will be 11 lakh and 16,000. All right. So this was the account for the year 2016-17. Now we'll move to the next year. We'll prepare the machinery account for the 17-18 as well. For how many years we need to prepare the machinery account in this question, guys? Tell me quickly. Why don't you respond, all of you? Why don't you people respond on time? We need to prepare the machinery account for 4 years. Shall we proceed to the next year? All of you? All of you have written this down?
Yes, sir.
All right. So closing balance of the previous year will become the opening balance of the next year, right now? We will carry forward this balance to the next year. And we'll write this as on 1st of April 2017 to balance BD. Balance BD for machine 1 will be 7,56,000. And for machine 2, it will be 2,64,000. Got it? Everybody, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we need to go back to the question again and try to find out, is there anything have occurred in the year 2016, 17, 18 or not? So, or if you're able to locate that in the
Yes, sir.
year 2017, on 1st of October 2017, we purchased, just a minute. On 1st of October 2017, machine purchase on 1st of April 2015 was sold for 1,80,000 on the same date. A new machine was also purchased at a cost of 2,50,000. So two things are happening in the year 2017-18 on 1st of October 2017. What is happening? On 1st of October 2017, firstly, we have
Yes, sir.
sold one old machine and we bought a new machine as well. So first of all, going to the credit side, we will have to write on 1st of October 2017, right? We sold a machinery we'll write this as by bank. We sold the machinery. Which machinery we sold? We have sold the machinery 1, right? That was purchased on 1st of April 2015. Which machine was purchased on 1st of April 2015? Machine. This machine was bought on 1st of April 2015. It was machine 1, right? 9 lakh. 6,50,000 plus 2,50,000. Is that right, everybody? So we are selling machine 1 for how much? We sold this machinery for 1,80,000. Got it, everybody? Is that clear? We sold this machinery for
Yes.
1,80,000. Now see, actual value of machine one is how much? I think I have made a mistake. Nine lakh minus 74, 8 lakh 58. All right, that's right. Okay. Now see, machine machine one that was sold on 1st of October 2017 for rupees 1,80,000. Current value of that machine is 7,56,000. Is that right? Current value of the machine one as on 1st of April 2017 is 7,56,000. And we are selling this machinery for 1,80,000. Right. So on the date on which this machine is being sold, we need to calculate the depreciation on machine one till that date as well. So we'll calculate depreciation on 1st of October 2017. We will calculate depreciation on machine one by depreciation in respect of machine one will be how much? We calculate depreciation at on 9 lakh rupees at the rate of 8% per annum for how many months? For 6 months only. Starting from April, May, June, July, August, September. Till September only, we'll calculate depreciation. That means 6 by 12. So which will be, this will be, I guess, 36,000, right? Depreciation will be 36,000 on machine one for 6-month period. Got it? So now pay attention, try to understand. We calculate profit and loss in respect of machine which is being sold. Calculation of profit or loss in respect of machine one or for machine one. So we'll calculate the profit and loss for machine one. For that purpose, first of all, we'll have to write down the opening book value of machine one, book value of machine one as on 1st of April 2017. What was the book value of machine one as on 1st of April 2017? It was 7,56,000. Is that right, everybody? 7,56,000 was the book value of machine one as on 1st of April. Then we need to subtract depreciation out of it. Let's depreciation for 6-month period. We calculated depreciation for 6-month period. 9 lakh into 8% per annum into 6 by 12. That will be 36,000. Is that right? And after subtracting it, whatever the value that we will get, that is called written down value. Written down value is also known as WDV. or let me write this as written down value. Written down value on 1st of October 2017. So on the date on which this machine is being sold, on that date, written down value means value of the machine after charging depreciation is 7,20,000. Got it? And now this machine is being sold selling price of machine 1 is equal to, this machine was sold for rupees 1,80,000 right now. So that means it is a situation of loss, right? Machinery having a written down value of 7,20,000. If it is sold in the market for rupees 1,80,000, what do you think? Whether we have earned a profit or loss? Tell me. If machine having a written down value at 7,20,000, it's sold in the market for 1,80,000. That means there is a loss, right? There is a loss of how much? There is a loss of 5,40,000. This is written as loss on sale of machine. Loss of sale of machine 1. Got it, everybody? Is that clear to all of you? Yes or no? And since this is a loss on machine 1, we will write this in the machinery account by the name of P&L. So on 1st of October only, by profit and loss account. This indicates there is a loss of 5,40,000 on machine 1. I hope this is clear, everybody. Is that clear, all of you? After selling the machine 1 for rupees 1,80,000, there is a loss of 5,40,000. All of you are writing this, now? Yes or no? You need to write all these things, whatever I'm writing. You're able to see on screen. You need to copy this along with me. And this is the working note that I made for the calculation of profit and loss. We need to note this as well. Please note down.
Yes.
This is extra working note. This working note is for the calculation of profit and loss for machine 1. Please note this down. Let me know whenever you are done so that we can move to the calculation of closing balance of the year 2017-18. Because we need to do that as well. We are yet to find out the closing balance of the year. Just let me know whenever you are done, all of you. Done, everybody? Done all of you? Yes or no? Say something. Done everyone? Am I audible to all of you? Labiba, Ritika, Zainab, Vanisha. Please confirm if I'm audible or not.
Yes, sir, you're audible. But your voice is low.
My voice is low. Is it better now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So Vanisha, please confirm if you are done writing this, yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So this was the profit on sale of machine. Sorry, this was the loss on sale of machine one that we have already credited to machinery account on the credit side. Now it's time to calculate the depreciation on the remaining machinery. We calculated depreciation on machine one, which is sold. But apart from selling the old machinery, we bought one more machinery in the year 2017. Were you able to see that? It is on 1st of October 2017, we bought a new machinery costing 2,50,000. Everybody is able to see that? Everybody is able to locate that, yes or no?
Yes,
On
Yes,
1st of
sir.
October 2017, apart from selling the old machine, we have bought a new machine as well for rupees 2,50,000. So that needs to be recorded on which side? Tell me, on the debit side or credit side? Machinery that I have bought need to be recorded on which side? Tell me, everyone. Sorry? Could you please repeat? I'm not able to hear you. Machine that we bought for rupees 2,50,000. Tell me on which side of the machinery account I should record that. Everybody, am I audible to you? Yes or no? Please respond. Pratika, Vanisha, Labiba, please tell me the machine that we have bought for rupees 2,50,000 need to be recorded on which side of the machinery account? Hello. Yes, Vanisha, I'm speaking. All of you. Am I audible, all of you? Yes or no? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think Vanisha is not able to hear me. If you are able to hear me, then let me know now on which side of the account I should record the purchase of new machinery.
Left side.
Left side, what is left side? We have two sides, either the debit side or the credit side. Tell me on the debit side or credit side, I should record the value of machine that we have bought on which side of the account, on the debit or the credit side.
debit.
Finally. This is the third machine that we have bought, so we'll be naming it machine 3. We bought that for 2,50,000. We will record that on the debit side. Whenever machinery increases, we record that on the debit side. Whenever you buy the machinery, it will lead to increase in machinery. Therefore, we will record that on the debit side. Whenever we sell machine, we record that on the credit side. Now we'll calculate the depreciation on the remaining machinery on till 31st of March 2018. We'll calculate depreciation by depreciation. Tell me on how many machinery we need to calculate depreciation. For how many machinery we need to calculate depreciation? For in respect of one machine, two machine, three machines, for how many machines?
Machine 2.
And what about machine 3?
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, you are audible. Manisha, I'm asking on how many machines we need to calculate depreciation on. See, we have three machines, out of which we already sold machine 1 na. So we'll be left with machine 2 and machine 3 only. Is that right?
Yes, sir. So machine 3 and 2.
So we will be calculating depreciation only on remaining two machines. That will be on machine 2 and machine 3. And on machine 2, depreciation will be, since we are following the straight line method, na? So at the on machine 2, depreciation will be charged. Opening value of the machine 2 was how much? It was 3 lakh. If you are able to recall, machine 2 was of 3 lakh, and you will calculate depreciation at the rate 8% per annum for the entire year on machine 2. That will be 24,000. But in respect of machine 3, since we bought this in the middle of the year, that means we only held this machine 3 for 6-month period. We will calculate depreciation on 2,50,000 at the rate 8% per annum for 6-month period only. I hope this is clear, everybody. Is that clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So, 2,50,000 into 8% into 6 by 12, this will be, I guess, 10,000. Right?
Yes, sir.
2,50,000 into 8% into 6 divided by 12. 10,000. Now we'll have to find out the closing balance of both the machines. Just a minute, let me make some space. Okay, now let's find out the closing balance of machine 2 and 3 for the year 2017-18. So on 31st of March 2018, by balance CD for machine 2 and machine 3. For machine 2, opening balance was 7,56,000. On that, we charge depreciation by 24,000. So balance figure will be the closing value. 7,56,000 minus 24,000. Subtracting this, we will get 7,56,000 minus 24,000. So that will be 7,32,000. And for machine 2, it will be balance opening balance was 2,50,000, upon which we charge depreciation of 10,000. So closing value for this will be 2,40,000. Okay. Now we will total both the sides of the account. So totaling the debit side first, it will be 7,56,000 plus 2,64,000 plus 2,50,000. This is 12,70,000. And this will also be 12,70,000. Got it, everybody? Is this clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this was about the year 2017-18. We prepared the ledger for 3 years, starting with 2015-16, we made it for the 2016-17, then for the year 17-18. One more ledger is required for the year 2018-19. Because question requires us to prepare the machinery account for the 4 financial year. 4 financial year basically means we will have to prepare machinery account for the year 2018-19. Okay. So on 1st of April 2018, we'll write down the opening balance of this year, balance PD. And closing balance of the previous year will become the opening balance of the next year. So opening balance for machine 2 and machine 3, we will have to write that here. It was just a minute. It was 7,32,000 plus 2,40,000. 7,32,000 plus 2,50,000. 2,40,000. All right. And now we'll get back to the question one more time and try to find out anything that has happened in the year 2018-19. So as per the question, nothing happened in the year 2018-19. So there will be no event that need to be recorded here. We will simply charge depreciation on the remaining machinery, on the remaining machinery. So on 31st of March 2018, 2019 in fact, we'll calculate depreciation by depreciation on the remaining machineries. So in respect of M2 and M3, depreciation in respect of M2 will be charged at rupees on 3 lakh, that is opening value of the machine, into 8% per annum for the entire 6-month period, which will be 24,000. And for M3, depreciation will be charged on 2,50,000, which was the opening value of machine 3, into 8% into 12 upon 12. This should also be 12. All right, so multiplying this with 2,50,000 into 8%, this will be 20,000. Done? Understood, everybody? Vanisha, is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Done, everyone. Now we'll find out the closing balance of this year. That will be 31st of March 2019. Balance CD by balance CD for machine 2 and machine 3. Balancing figure for machine 2 will be 7,32,000 minus depreciation of this current year 24,000, and for the machine 2, machine 3, it will be 2,40,000 minus 20,000. So this will be 2,20,000, and that will be 7,08,000. All right, this is the end of this question. By totaling the credit side first, we'll write down the value. 7 plus 2 is 9 lakh and 72,000. And on the credit side as well, it should be 9,72,000. Got it, everyone? Is that clear to all of you? Yes or no? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please confirm, everyone. I'm not able to hear any one of you. Manisha is
Yes, sir.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Okay. All right then. So this was all about this question, wherein you were required to prepare the ledger for 4 financial years. Guys, I want all of you to revise the concept and questions of this chapter. I think all of you are not putting enough time revising the concept and the question that you already did for this chapter, and therefore you guys do not respond whenever I ask questions. Make sure you dedicate some extra time for this particular chapter. This is comparatively difficult than the previous chapters that we discussed. So make sure you invest some time. Otherwise, it will get difficult for you to understand the remaining chapters and the question that we are going to discuss in the next class. All right. So this is it for today's session, everybody. I'm giving you 1 or 2 homework for the next session as well. Kindly take the screenshot of those questions. Yeah. Kindly take the screenshot of this question. This will be a homework for the next session. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do it quickly. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Also take the screenshot of this one. So these 2 questions are your homework. This is it for today's session. Thank you everybody for attending the class. Now you may leave the session. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.